Global warming, a growing threat. Today, I want to talk about something incredibly important that affects all of us and our future: global warming. Earth with rising temperature lines. What do we mean by global warming? Simply put, it's the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature. You might have noticed that summers are getting hotter, or that weather patterns seem more unpredictable. This isn't just a coincidence, it's a trend, and the scientific evidence is overwhelming. A graph illustrating the rise in global average temperature over the past century. This graph shows the steady rise in global average temperature over the last century. Notice the sharp increase in recent decades. So, what's causing this warming? Images of factories emitting smoke, cars on a busy road, and deforestation. The primary culprit is the increase in what we call greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. These gases, like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, trap heat from the sun, much like the glass roof of a greenhouse. While some greenhouse effect is natural and necessary to keep our planet warm enough to support life, human activities are drastically increasing their concentration. A diagram explaining the greenhouse effect. Think of it this way: the sun's rays come to Earth, warming its surface. Some of this heat radiates back into space. Greenhouse gases act like a blanket, absorbing some of this outgoing heat and trapping it in the atmosphere. Burning fossil fuels for energy in factories, power plants, and vehicles releases large amounts of carbon dioxide. Deforestation, the cutting down of forests, reduces the number of trees that absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Agriculture, especially livestock farming and the use of certain fertilizer, releases methane and nitrous oxide. Images depicting the impacts of global warming: melting glaciers, rising sea levels, droughts, floods, and extreme weather events. The consequences of this warming are already visible and are becoming more severe. Melting glaciers and polar ice caps. This contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities and ecosystems. Rising sea levels, low-lying areas are at risk of flooding and displacement. More frequent and intense extreme weather events. We are experiencing more heat waves, droughts, floods, cyclones, and wildfires. Disruption of ecosystems. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns are affecting plant and animal life, leading to habitat loss and potential extinctions. Impacts on agriculture and food security. Changing weather patterns can lead to crop failures and water scarcity. Renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines, and people planting trees. But the good news is that it's not too late to act. We can all contribute to mitigating global warming. Here are some key steps: transitioning to renewable energy sources, using solar, wind, and hydropower instead of fossil fuels. Improving energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption in our homes, schools, and industries. Promoting sustainable transportation, using public transport, cycling, or electric vehicles. Reforestation and afforestation, planting more trees to absorb carbon dioxide. Reducing our carbon footprint, making conscious choices in our daily lives, like reducing waste, consuming less meat, and supporting sustainable products. Raising awareness, talking about global warming and encouraging others to take action. A picture of students working together on an environmental project. As students, we have a crucial role to play. We can educate ourselves and others, advocate for change, and adopt sustainable practices in our own lives. Every small action counts. Global warming is a serious challenge, but it's one we can face together. By understanding its causes and consequences, and by taking collective action, we can protect our planet for ourselves and for future generations. In the heart of a bustling city, amid the chaos and noise, one woman's journey unfolds, a tale of resilience, dreams, and the struggle to find her true self. Her story is one of empowerment, weaving through moments of joy and sorrow, ultimately leading to her triumphant awakening. Images of diverse groups of people engaging in environmental activism. Together, we can amplify our voices and demand action from leaders and policymakers. Let's participate in community cleanup events, start recycling programs, or even initiate school clubs focused on sustainability. When we unite for a common purpose, we become catalysts for change. Each of us possesses the power to influence our communities and inspire others to care for our planet, reminding them that the time for action is now. Let's harness that energy to advocate for meaningful policies and practices that prioritize environmental health, ensuring a sustainable future for all. Steps towards change. Let's outline a clear plan for what we can do moving forward. First, we need to focus on education, sharing knowledge about global warming and its effects in our schools and communities. Next, we should hold workshops, invite guest speakers, and create engaging campaigns to spread awareness. This grassroots movement can engage others and build momentum towards a larger impact. And remember, every great movement started with a few determined individuals. If we harness our collective passion, we can create waves of change that ripple across our society. Let's inspire our friends, family, and neighbors to join us, fostering a culture of environmental stewardship that champions the health of our planet. Change is possible, let's ignite it together, ensuring that our voices are loud and unwavering in the face of this challenge. Shaping a sustainable future depends on us. Remember, sustainable living starts at home. We can reduce waste by composting organic materials and cutting back on single-use plastics. Simple habits, like turning off lights when not in use or taking shorter showers, can substantially decrease our resource consumption. Each act, however small, contributes to the collective effort of healing our planet. Let's not forget, we've seen remarkable progress in various parts of the globe. Communities that have rallied together to reduce their carbon footprints, cities investing in renewable energy, and governments making commitments to net zero emissions are proof that positive change is possible. These victories are beacons of hope, illuminating the path forward and showing us that our efforts can lead to significant transformations. One beautiful example of community action is tree planting. It not only helps absorb carbon dioxide but also provides shade, habitats, and improves air quality. Engaging in such activities fosters a sense of connection and responsibility towards our environment. Whether it's joining local tree planting initiatives or starting your own small project in the neighborhood, every tree planted makes a difference in combating climate change. Together, we can nurture our planet and inspire others to join in this vital work. Let's take this momentum a step further by engaging in dialogues at local, national, and global levels. Attending youth conferences, participating in discussions, and connecting with like-minded individuals can amplify our impact. When we express our concerns and ideas for a sustainable future, we are laying the foundation for policies that prioritize environmental integrity, ensuring our voices are truly heard in the decision-making processes. Together, these conversations can drive the transformative change our world desperately needs, inspiring generations to come. Slide changes to show a stunning visual of Earth from space, highlighting its beauty and vulnerability.